so here's a bit of a background emergency message that's going to appear in Tsundere Pursuit. It's a tornado warning. So I want you all to think about how it's going to possibly fit in this story. Think about it. Make your guesses in the comments. And no supernatural individuals or none of that stuff. That's not going to be in the GSSU. So think about it. And here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Escambia County in south-central Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Semmes, or 8 miles northwest of Midtown Mobile, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pritchard, Chickasaw, I-65 and Alabama 158 and I-65 and I-165 around 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Saraland and Satsuma around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Creole around 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Axis around 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bay Minette, Stockton and I-65 and Alabama 225 around 9:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Porch Creek Reservation and I-65 and County Road 1 around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Whistler, Lott, Dias, Latham, Crossroads, Perdido, West Hill, Kearney, Mackey's, and Forest Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Alright, so that was just a tornado warning that will be featured in Tsundere Pursuit. So next up is the preview for Project Obsidian, which hasn't yet been titled. So make your guesses of how the plot is going to play out. So here we go.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mahoning County Emergency Management Agency. The Mahoning County Sheriff's Office is asking for your assistance in locating prison escapee Violet White, female, 18 years old, 5 foot 3 inches, brown hair, purple eyes. She has been charged with kidnapping, as well as several counts of murder. She is also responsible for the murder of several inmates within the Ohio Supermax, including Elvis Silva. She was reported missing from the Ohio Supermax at around 4:40 p.m. This is a dangerous person. If you see this individual, call 911 immediately.
Okay, folks, so that was the previews. Alright, folks, so those were our background EAS, and so those were some of the previews and some of the teasers. Alright, folks, those were the teasers / previews for Tsundere Pursuit and Project Obsidian. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a blessed day.